Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a double Chanel unboxing to share with you. These are both items from the new collection 21S, and normally I like to do true unboxings, but I did open both of these already. One of them I opened because I wasn't 100% sure that I would like it, and I didn't want to do an unboxing and show you if I didn't like it and didn't want to keep it. So anyway, I'll explain that when I actually open it. Now, this one is, I'll start with this one. It's obviously an SLG. And here is the dust bag to reveal my new flat card holder in the 21S light pink or rose clair in caviar leather with light gold hardware. The sticker's still on there, but you can kind of see the light gold hardware. And yeah, it's just the classic flat card holder, and I got this because I love having matching sets to match my pink mini. Now the pink mini is in iridescent calfskin. The card holder is in caviar. In this lighting, it's hard to tell, but they actually are very close in color, but it's just kind of a different texture of leather, so still a good match. I don't think they made SLGs that I know of in the iridescent pink calfskin, so I'm happy to have it in caviar as a little matching set. So that is the first item. Now this item was a bit of an impulse purchase. I will explain once I open it. So here's the box. I put it back in the box just for the video. Like I said, I did open it to make sure that I actually liked it and wanted to keep it. So here is the dust bag to reveal. A lot of you guessed this, actually. I posted on my Instagram stories asking if anyone had any guesses, and many of you actually did guess the mini with top handle. So that's what this is. It is the mini with top handle from 21S in silver caviar leather with silver hardware. Now, my thoughts about this bag were all over the place. When I first found out it was coming out a few months ago, I did contact one of my SAs and said that I would be interested in one. But then when more details came out and I found out the chain was really thin, so I'll show you. The chain is thinner than the regular mini chain. I'll just show you in comparison with my, so you can see it's significantly thinner than the classic mini chain. When I first found that out, I really didn't like that, and so I thought I wouldn't want one of these. And the other colors, I don't know what it was. I think it was the combination of the leather colors with the, I think, I'm pretty sure all of them except this one come in brushed gold hardware, and brushed gold is probably my least favorite hardware, so I think that's kind of what was making me not really in love with them when I saw the photos. But then when my SA sent me a picture of this one in particular, I actually really liked how it looked. I loved the silver with the silver hardware. It just looked really pretty. And I don't have a silver bag in my collection, so this is something very different for me. And I love the fact that it's a mini in caviar because, as we know, they haven't made those in so long. And I love a crossbody bag with a top handle. So I decided to give it a try, and I am so glad I did because I actually love it. I really do. It's super cute. The handle is actually, some of them I've seen pictures and the handle looks misshapen, but mine is quite firm. It's not, like it doesn't move around or anything, which I like. And the thin chain actually works well on this one. I think because it's attached here rather than through grommets. I don't know. There's something about it that actually works well. I don't know. Once I saw it in person, I'm so glad I gave it a chance because I really like it, especially with the silver hardware. It's just really, really pretty. And this silver is really neutral. It goes with a lot. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using this. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really, really glad that she offered it to me, because it wasn't one that I was, you know, originally planning to get, but I don't know, it's really pretty and different from any other bag I have. So let me know what you think. I know these minis with top handle, a lot of people have really loved them, and then others really don't. Let me know what you think either way. That is it for this unboxing. I'm going to keep it nice and short. If you like this type of video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.